because this Igbo nose of mine, unbelievable, very massive. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber stroke blogger based in Istanbul, Turkey. If this is your first time seeing my face, you're welcome. So today's tutorial, I just want to do a quarantine makeup and chill. Just relax, sip some wine, and let's get into the tutorial. But anyway, if this is your first time watching this channel, please make sure you subscribe, like, share, and all those good stuff. And I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.
Give me the light, give me that push, give me that bad man thing, give me that push, give me that thing that blow my mind, give me that thing that blow my.
First thing I like to do after I've already done my skin prep and everything, so I would want to go in with my face primer. I'll be going in with my face primer and I'll be using this NYX primer. First, let me get my hair out of the way because this madam is stressing me. Don't stress me, please don't stress me. So since I've done my brows off camera already, I'm just going to start up with my foundation. I don't know if I should use this first or I should mix. I think I'm going to mix it up. So I'll be using the Colorpop foundation, and I'll also be mixing it up with the Gerald illuminating cream. After applying up my foundation, I'm going to be using these concealers from Colorpop. I'm going to be using it to highlight and contour my face. And the lighter shade, I'm going to use it to highlight my face. I'm going to be using this setting spray, hydrating mist. I'm just going to spray my face. Then I'll be using my booty blender just to blend out the highlights first. For my contour, I'll be using the Sigma contour brush in F04. I'll put a link in the description box. This is like a perfect thing to contour because it gets into the cheekbones. I like to push my contour up instead of dragging it down. This gives you a more chiseled face. So now for my nose contour, I'm going to take a smaller brush and just blend it. I like going into my brows. It gives you an illusion of a thinner nose because this Igbo nose of mine, unbelievable, very massive. After that, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty setting powder in blonde. So I want to contour and bronze at the same time, so I'm going to be using the same powder palette, just taking the two dark shades, dust off the excess. I'll be using the P. Louise eye base. I just use that to prime my eyelid.
I give you now.
Hey, mommy! So I'm going to be using the Masquerade palette by Juvias Place. This is how it looks like. So the first shade I'll be taking is called Chi. I'm just placing it, and I'll blend out the edges. After that, I'll be taking the shade called Zobo and just put that, like mix that together. But mostly I'm applying that on the outer part of my eyes. Then I'll be taking Burkina like Burkina Faso. Then I just blend out the upper. Then I'm going to use my cotton board and my micellar water just to clean off my crease. I want to do like a cut crease. Then we take the same P. Louise base. I just take a bit of it and apply it on my lid. Then I'm going to take Geza and just pop that on my lid. So now I fixed my lashes. I know they're a bit dramatic, like a lot of dramatic, but so for highlighter today, I'm using the Gerald Cosmetics highlighter in Bridget. Pop this here. Then I'm going to take away all the powder. So I'll line my lips with the Gerald lip liner. I'll be using the color Raine lip gloss in lipstick in Tootsie.